Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to replace our front parking light and side marker light bulbs. So to start, we're going to turn on our parking lights and confirm where the bulbs are and which ones are burnt, if any. This one right here behind the orange lens is the side marker light, and the one next to the headlight is the parking light. It's the same on the other side. The one next to the headlight is the parking light. This is the side marker light. On the rear we have dual filament P21/5W brake light bulbs. These act as parking lights and brake lights 2-in-1s. This is why we have the brake lights in the corners of the vehicle, because parking lights must be visible from both the side and the rear of the vehicle. Now we'll turn off the parking lights and pull the hood release latch. To open the hood, we just have to push this black lever off to the left while lifting the hood up, and we have this hood prop to support the hood. For reference, this large heatsink is for my aftermarket LED headlights. Below it and to the left is our parking light. To remove it, we simply grab the connector and turn counterclockwise about 1/8 of a turn, and then pull out. The bulb is held in with friction. It pulls straight out of the holder. I have this aftermarket Philips LED bulb installed. To reinstall, just push the light into the hole until the backing is roughly flat with the headlight, then rotate clockwise about 1/8 of a turn, or until you get a lot of resistance. Unlike the turn signal bulb, there is not a satisfying click when this is installed correctly. For the side marker light, the process is exactly the same. We turn counterclockwise about 1/8 of a turn and then pull out. The bulb just pulls straight out of the holder and it's held in place with friction. You can also see the O-ring on the base of this to keep it watertight. Here's what my finger looks like when poked through the parking light bulb hole. Unfortunately, you can't see my waving finger through the orange lens of the side marker light. Now we will test our handiwork by turning on the parking lights and making sure all 4 in the front still turn on. For anyone curious, this is the box for the LEDs I've installed. They are 194W LEDs. The owner's manual calls them W5W bulbs. For reference, here's what a traditional incandescent W5W bulb looks like. Notably, for the incandescent bulb, only one terminal is on either side because the legs come out the flat bottom and then are bent, one on one side and one on the other. That's why the socket has to have terminals on both sides of the bulb. Effectively, it looks like there are 4 terminals, but there are really 2. Here's what a C-Light W5W bulb from Amazon looks like. Notably, since this bulb can go in either way, and since LEDs are polarity dependent, most manufacturers of LED bulbs will tell you to try and put them in the other way if it doesn't turn on the first time. These bulbs come in this bag. Here are the factory service manual directions for position light and front side marker light bulb replacement. Looking at the owner's manual, item number 3, the parking light, and item number 5, the front side marker light, both recommend using the W5W bulb. This is the same socket as the 194W bulb you saw me use earlier, but the 194W is rated for a lower power draw, which does not matter when you're using LED bulbs. Thank you for watching. Please leave any questions, comments, or feedback down below.